Hi there guys, in today's video we'll be covering the Shapes tool using VinylCut. Today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. Software Training's website has lots of videos about how to solve specific software problems in real use cases. New videos uploaded daily. Okay, now once we're in VinylCut, to locate your shapes we'll be going to the side panel here on the left and look for your shapes tool. So if any icon has this little black arrow at the bottom, then if you click and hold that icon, it will bring up all the extra items under that icon. So here you can select which type of shape you would want. Start with a rectangle, drag it in here, then the rounded rectangle. Then also keep in mind any shape you've put in, on top here you will find its properties. So in this case we can set the roundness of those corners, but rather important, keep in mind once you've, let's say, made another shape and you want to change that roundness, if you select that shape you can no longer edit it. So just make sure you set it right from the beginning. Then we've got here a circle. So if you just normal click and drag, you kind of create an oval, but if you keep shift in, it will restrain all the angles, horizontal and vertical, and it will create you a circle. Now you can do that with any shape, and then so the same will apply with the triangle, where you clip it in. And then see, we've got the polygon, so here you can set how many corners it has, so you can go from a triangle, square, and so forth. Then the star, this one you can set the how many star points does it have, and also the inner radius. So if you want to create something that looks more like a badge, or you can even turn it also into a form of a polygon. And then you've got the spiral, and this is sometimes nice to have something pathed onto it like text or so forth, but we will not be covering that in this video. Well, thank you guys for watching this video. For more videos like this, visit softwaretraining.co.za. You can easily navigate by software name, version, and select the topic you would like to watch. Use search the challenge you're facing. If you do not find the answers you're looking for, you can also submit a request here, so we can make the video for you. Till next time, cheers.